I'm going to tell you one of the biggest reasons that people fail on LinkedIn and the platform doesn't work for them, so they don't get discovered, so they don't get any opportunities. And I'm also going to tell you one of the biggest reasons that people succeed on the platform and how to gain an audience and gain a following to gain exposure, which leads to opportunity. LinkedIn is definitely a different type of platform. I like to refer to it as the BMW of social media. This is where professionals are. LinkedIn has had massive growth over the years, and I can say that I'm really happy and proud to have put the time and effort into growing on LinkedIn. I don't have a huge Instagram, Facebook, or TikTok presence, and I'm okay with that. This platform is what feeds me. So that begs the question, how does it feed me, right? Even before I was active on LinkedIn, I had a nice profile. My profile brought me leads. I've gotten jobs from it. I've gotten contracts from it for the field that I'm working in, which for me happens to be cybersecurity. It played a major part in how I grew a company, sold a company, and have my current vCISO role where I'm at now. My goal is to teach you to be able to do the same thing, make a living using the LinkedIn platform so that you have opportunities coming to you. I've mentioned this before, but LinkedIn offers a level playing field for all of us, every one of us. This year, my goal is to watch as many of you grow your presence on here and you gain tons of opportunities from it. Like I said, the most important advice I will give you this year is this: start connecting to new people and stop following them. Connect, don't follow. LinkedIn gives us 30,000 open seats for connections. This means that you're able to have 30,000 connections, no questions asked. When you connect to someone, you are making a two-way handshake. But think about it. When you follow someone, they typically have no clue that you followed them, and they will continue to have no clue who you are, but you know about them. Obviously, that is great for them, but does you absolutely no good. So with that, I have two thoughts for you. If you connect to someone, you are essentially beside them, not behind them. It is a two-way relationship. You will get to know your new connection, but more importantly, they will get to know you. You can have multiple conversations on the platform and engage with each other's posts. But think about it this way, and I'll use me for an example. I love that you might follow me on LinkedIn, but I want to get to know you. The only way that I can do that is for you to connect with me. Don't just follow me. I want to engage with your posts. I want to celebrate your achievements and even help you through some of your struggles. If I know you, I may even think of you when someone asks me, "Hey, Mike, do you know someone who's good at X, Y, or Z?" Well, if you're connected to me, I may remember your name. I may know you. So you may gain opportunities out of that. Connecting to someone instead of following may be the one small thing you do that changes your entire life because someone knows you and needs your talent. Imagine the opportunity if 30,000 people in this field actually know who you are and the talent that you have. So think about it this way. Not using your 30,000 seats is like throwing out golden tickets. Start using them. I have tickets. Fill them up. Feel free to connect to me. Don't just follow me because I want to get to know you. I want to use my network to help you as well. I want you to walk beside me, not behind me. By connecting to me, you walk beside me. By following me, you're behind me and I can't see you. I can't get to know you. I can't have a conversation with you or even see you. So, if you want to grow on the platform, stop following people, start connecting to people. If you like this video, feel free to subscribe. I have a lot more coming in 2023. Have a great day.